till the coast is clear.
So you've gone to the seaside to feel more free, out for the views to escape the city dregs. Sun, sea, shell, swimmers, what else do you see? Plastic bottles and plastic bags, lapping up on the sand, wave after wave.
Broken fishing nets and empty cans of beer.
People putting them in bags, there are animals to save. Coastal clearance till the coast is clear. What if more trash should appear?
Coastal clearance till the coast is clear.
Many beach cleanups happen each year.
Coastal clearance till the coast is clear.
But this problem's getting real severe.
So coastal clearance till the coast is clear.
My friend Sanday is a volunteer.
Go!
Coastal clearance till the coast is clear.
Coastal clearance till the coast is clear.
Taking glass from the poor of a beach dog with a whelp, whilst filling bags with every kind of rubbish under the sun.
Many events if you'd like to join and help.
You can type beach cleaning into a search engine.
Action is needed, you heard the words.
Coastal clearance till the coast is clear.
Save the turtles and protect the birds.
Coastal clearance till the coast is clear. 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 Coastal clearance till the coast is clear.